This is a Canadian IMP menu number 2, smothered chicken. I weighed it. It weighs 1 pound, 13 ounces. On the front, it says it's possible to have an entree substituted by another one. Is this a smothered chicken or is it something else? I guess there's only one way to find out. And as always, we're going to use the world's smallest knife. Link is in the description in our kit store. It's like a little razor blade. Let's open it up, see what we have. Here's the smothered chicken. And this was produced on 203rd day of 2010. Is applesauce. Here we have an instant dressing mix. Sounds good. We have the Lipton cup of soup. Dad's oatmeal. And I don't know if these are going to hold up or not. It's in a real flimsy type of plastic. Here we have a package of bread. Here we have a package of hot apple cider. What I consider to be a useless hot beverage bag. A book of matches, red tip. Here we have a package of peanut butter. Still feels pretty good. Here we have a sports drink. It's a lemon flavor. Wet nap. This is evaluation. We have a very large napkin. My understanding is it's made by recycled paper. 2 packages of gum. A package of jalapeno sauce. Package of sugar. The whitener. Here we have the instant coffee. Still feels pretty good. Package of salt. Package of pepper. Peppermint. Another package of sugar. Package of raspberry jam. 1 toothpick. The long Canadian spoon. Hi guys, it's Art, ForeignMRE.com, and today we've got this awesome MRE. This is a menu 22, chicken and dumplings. I'll give you a little history about this. It started production in 2009 and ran through 2011, and in 2012 it was replaced with the Asian beef strips. And this has a date code on it. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it says 8322, which is the 322nd day of 2008. But in 2008, this would have been Sloppy Joe. So we'll open up, see what we have inside. We'll look at the date codes on everything inside. And the peelable seal. Finally, got the beverage bag. Got the flameless ration heater, got the spork, which everybody knows we're not going to use. We have a strawberry dairy shake powder, and we have grape jelly. Whoa, chunky peanut butter. Chocolate covered coffee beans. A wheat snack bread. Got the accessory pack, got a shortbread cookie, and we have the main, the chicken and dumplings. And then we have the accessory pack. First thing we have, Taster's Choice. Napkins, moist towelette, the non-dairy creamer. Got the salt, set that to the side. I'm gonna use that in the flameless ration heater. 2 pieces of gum, which I hear also contains a laxative. Package of sugar, book of matches, the very damp air, and we have a bottle of Tabasco sauce.
Hi, this is Nina at ForeignMRE.com, and I am holding a rare gorilla ration. This ration weighs in at 3 pounds, 8 ounces. It has the logo. It weighs in at 3 pounds, 8 ounces and contains 4,170 calories. Compare, for size purposes, I have here the Russian Army ration. It's about the same size. The box is about the same thickness. And it's about the same weight. So with that being said, I want to open this up and see what's inside. Initially, when I opened this box, something smells absolutely delicious, and it has to be this rye bread. So I've got 2 slices of rye bread. I've got 6 wet naps, of course 3 for your hands, 3 for your utensils. I've got a stove. I've got 3 spoons and a knife. I've got 2 packages of crackers. I've got 45 grams of what appears to be apple jam. Got some salt. This has got to be tea. Got some waterproof matches. I've got 3 packages of sugar. Got a chocolate bar. 100 grams of salted pork fat. This is chicken stored in jelly. We've got some eggplant caviar, not one, but two 50-gram each liver pate. We've got some kasha with beef. I've got a can of pork stew, got a package of salt, and a package of pepper. And I've got 3 napkins, along with some instructions. Well guys, that's everything in the rare Russian gorilla ration. This is Nina at ForeignMRE.com. So I figured I would crack open one of these first strike rations. This is a menu 2 Italian style sandwich with chicken chunks. And it's made from Zappaco. I have no idea how much this ration weighs. I just know it's heavy. Let's see, this is some sort of trash bag. There's an Italian style sandwich, sausage, pepperoni, and sauce and bread. Mocha dessert bar, and I have to tell you guys, I've never really opened one of these before. Usually Art is with me when he's doing it. Beverage based powder, grape flavor. Brown sugar cinnamon toast pastry. An accessory pack. I'll get into that later. Barbecue flavor beef strip. It also says teriyaki beef strip. Are they both in there? I don't know. Apple cinnamon flavored First Strike nutritious energy bar. Another drink. This one is lemon lime. Osmotic cranberries. What the fluff? I don't know. I'll have to look that up later. Here's some crackers. Art's Zapple sauce. We got a spoon here, but everybody knows we don't use these spoons. We use a ForeignMRE.com spork, but I didn't get the spork out, so I can't show you. Wait, I'll go get it. Ha ha! I got the ForeignMRE.com spork. Got some tortillas. Wow, what is this? Oh, that's what this was for. White chicken chunks. USDA inspected. And I've got this little pack here. So let's go in here and see what's inside. I've got some energy gum, some peanut butter, and this is barbecue sauce. So that's what's in this little package. Oh wait, I forgot these. How could I forget these? Smoked almonds. They were in a ration, not in a pack. It goes to show how often I do this by myself without Art being here. Let's see. What's in this package? All right, I've got some tissue. I've got 3 moist towelettes. Something wasted. Here's some beverage base lemonade. I wonder, did I cut that? I don't know. There's some salt. Got a couple pieces of gum. I've got some matches right here that I can't close.
Hi guys, it's Art, ForeignMRE.com, and today we have a meal cold weather. It's a menu number 12, breakfast skillet, and it weighs in at 1 pound 3 ounces. So let's open it up. So the first thing we have is the breakfast skillet with hash browns, scrambled eggs, and it's mixed with pork sausage, peppers, and onions. Next thing we have is the accessory pack. We'll get into that in a minute. Okay, patriotic sugar cookies, chocolate protein drink powder, the MRE spoon. Here we have cheese spread. I was hoping for the jalapeno cheese spread, but this will do. We have the Mountain House granola with milk and blueberries, the package of tortillas. For the accessory pack, package of toilet paper, napkins, whatever you want to use it for, package of sugar, package of matches, moist towelette, package of hot sauce, 2 packages of hot sauce, 2 pieces of gum, instant coffee, This is Bill's Brew, never heard of it before. And we have a package of non-dairy creamer. Hi guys, it's Art, ForeignMRE.com, and today we've got this awesome brown bag MRE. This is a menu number 5, spaghetti with meat sauce. It weighs in at 1 pound, 7 ounces. And to give you a little history, this was produced from 1988 to 1996. And in 1997, it was replaced with smoky beef frankfurters. Looking at the bag, I don't see a day code. I'm sure there's one inside. On this particular ration, there's no peelable seal. There's a tear notch, but I'm not going to tear it. I'm going to go ahead and open it up from the back side. We have a package of M&Ms. We have the main spaghetti with meat sauce. Next thing we have is the maple nut cake. And looking at the date code, it's probably 1991. Same with this one. Here we have the accessory pack. We'll get into that in a minute. Package of crackers. Uh-oh, this doesn't look good. Nope, something's leaked. Beverage base powder. This is a thermo pack, and I think this is what's leaking. I'll check that in just a little bit. We have a small bottle of Tabasco sauce. Looks like it's still full, but it's supposed to be red. It's far from red. And we have the American spoon. And as everybody knows, we don't use this. Hi guys, it's Art, ForeignMRE.com. And today we have this awesome modular operational ration enhancement type 2 hot weather pack 1. And it's made by Sapaco. It's kind of difficult to read. The package is written this way, but the ingredients are written this way. So go figure. This is especially designed for added nutrition during operations at temperatures above 70. But it also says that it may be consumed at temperatures between 40 and 70. Is it to be above 70 or above 40? Who knows? But anyway, I weighed it. It weighs 15 ounces. So let's open it up, see what we have. Wow, that packaging is tough. Okay, so the first thing we have is cheddar cheese pretzels, carbohydrate electrolyte beverage powder. We have an orange beverage powder. This one's lemon lime. Have a package of cranberries, container of mixed berry energy gel. Man, I love these energy gels. Last thing we have is a caffeinated chocolate pudding, and this is really good. Hi guys, it's Art, ForeignMRE.com. And today we have this awesome ration. This is a Lithuanian single meal, menu number 2. It weighs 1 pound, 9 ounces, and contains 1,494 calories. And as you see, it has a best before date of February the 15th, 2019. So it's just a few days out. This has a tear notch on the top. Let's open it up and look at that. First thing we have should be the stewed beef with grits. And we have a stove. We have an accessory pack. Get that in a minute. Have another accessory pack. Some tough crackers. Hazelnuts. And these are probably unsalted. And that's everything in the bag. Moving on to one of the accessory packs. Ziploc baggie. Got some fuel for the stove, spoon. It's not very flimsy. It's a pretty nice looking spoon, but as everybody knows, we don't use that. We have the ForeignMRE.com Sport. Got a package of matches, blue tip. We have a refreshing towel or wet nap, zip tie. I guess you put your trash back in the bag, gives you something to close it up with. We have the Lithuanian chocolate. I believe this is the orange drink with vitamin C. Got a package of sugar, package of instructions, but as we know, men don't use instructions. And a package of coffee. And we have a package of honey. I believe this is 30 grams.
Hi, this is Nina at ForeignMRE.com, and I just received a busted up ration. I decided I'm going to do a review on this ration all by myself. I'm tired of Art muscling me out of the action. I'm holding an MRE. It's a ration with two mains. It weighs 1 pound, 13 ounces, and contains 1,880 calories with a best before date of April 2020. If there's not any damage, we're gonna have us a really good review. You gotta be smarter than the box. Ta-da! Okay, I have a napkin, chewed up. I have a fruit-flavored drink. Looks like 2 wet naps. We have some apple butter or apple jam, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna taste a little bit of that. Have a package of coffee. I have a package of tea, black tea. I got a fruit bar. And no one here to tell me I have a stick of salt. I have a package of crackers that kind of didn't make the journey, but they're edible. For that sweet tooth, I have 2 packages of 20 grams each of sugar. I have some pepper. I have a couple of spoons that didn't quite make the journey, but that's all right. I'm not going to use those. I have a can of stewed beef, and I have a can of kasha with pearl barley.
Hi guys, it's Art, ForeignMRE.com, and today we've got this awesome ration. This is a Z ration. It's a zombie MRE, and it's got a website, allmres.com, and if you flip it over on the back, it's got a sticker. It says new menu 23 pepperoni pizza slice, and again it's got the website. What I like about this ration is it'll actually stand up. As you can see, it's resealable, but we're not going to reseal it anyway. We're just going to eat it. Let's see what we have inside. Cherry cobbler. Here we have a flameless ration heater, a chocolate hazelnut coca drink, accessory pack, a water bag, the knife, the fork, spoon, looks like salt maybe in there, pepper, and a napkin, Italian breadsticks. Okay, we have an oatmeal chocolate chunk cookie, and we have a pizza slice. And man, this is my favorite. The cheese spread with jalapenos. Man, this is always a big score. And then the last thing we have is a bottle of Tabasco sauce. And we have the ration pack, a beverage-based cranberry grape drink, moist towelette, iodized salt, chewing gum, which may or may not contain laxative. If it does contain laxative, you have your paper towels.